Well, welcome to my next alphabet box video. I'm up to the letter H. Made this fairly simple. It should be fairly quick. Same kind of procedure. I've got some wood layer there to the maximum thickness of my cut. Got a piece on the back that's going to be the back of it. And it's glued in the corners and kind of on the edges so that it'll come off when I cut the outline. So I'll cut the outline first. Then I'll cut the drawers out and construct them. I'm going to leave that solid up there so the drawer won't be open at the top. But I chose this font because it has these curves like this so that this box won't fall out, this drawer won't fall out when you pick the whole thing up. And those of you that watched my last video, where that using the quilting diamond patterns, I had 3 layers of wood that I cut. And these are the other 2 versions. I had the other version in the original video, which I'll put a link to down below if you want to go see that. But that's just kind of a follow-up on that. I finally finished these other 2 versions. I haven't messed with the paper I cut. I got it set over a side with a pattern. I may get to that someday. We'll see. But right now, I'm going to construct this box right here with the letter H. Use, again, a number 12 Super Skip Tooth Pegas blade. And shouldn't take me long to cut this, so let's see how well it goes. So there is the H box. That was a fairly quick build. It took way longer to build the blank than it did to cut this box and put it together in just a few hours. It took longer to let paint dry and finish dry and glue to dry than anything else. There it is. It's a fairly simple build and it's kind of enjoyable. I do like the way it turned out. If you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I think my next video is going to be back to a quilt pattern design. It's going to be using a different type of, I've been using a quilting diamond. I'm going to use a quilting square, which is divided into triangles. But anyway, that's the end of this video, end of this little project. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.